As we execute our mission to ensure students leave BGSU prepared to live meaningful and productive lives, I believe the work done in the C. Raymond Marvin Center for Student Leadership enhances those efforts and moves this mission forward. Our commitment is to develop the next generation of social change leaders in the world and allow students to have access to opportunities that engage them in intentional, impactful, and innovative ways to develop their leadership.
So after attending and completing the Global Leadership Certificate put on by the Marvin Center for Student Leadership, I gained invaluable information surrounding diversity and inclusion. And this was extraordinarily beneficial to my role as an orientation team leader. I was able to facilitate conversations with people from unique backgrounds and experiences, and that enabled us to accomplish our common goal.
Currently, I am facilitating the Inclusive Leadership Certificate program, and through this program, I've been able to collaborate with many different students from a variety of areas, and we get to discuss topics such as diversity and inclusion on BGSU's campus.
Being a student leadership assistant has allowed me to meet 8 of my closest friends on campus. It's allowed me to get involved with other student organizations and support my fellow student leadership assistants in their other activities they're involved in.
What I enjoyed most about being a student leadership assistant is how connected I feel to the university just through facilitating all of our different programs to different student organizations across campus. We've also established really great relationships with other offices on campus through facilitation and collaborating on different events and different certificates that we offer. So being a student leadership assistant has really connected me not only with the Center for Student Leadership, but with countless peers that I probably wouldn't have encountered or met with if I hadn't been in this role.
My favorite part of the things we've been learning are the way that the faculty intervenes with us. They learn who we are, and they're just so approachable and so nice throughout the entire experience. It's not like you're going to class and you're talking to a professor. It's like you're talking to a friend that's teaching you new life lessons.